In every season of our lives, there's a home that marks a milestone. For most Singaporean families, it starts with their first private property, the dream of stepping into ownership, of creating something they can truly call their own. And over the years, as we grow, our family, our needs, our ambition, the homes we choose grow with us. Today, we are standing right here at the Tiara, a freehold condo right beside Great World City. Timeless, spacious, and in one of Singapore's most desired districts. Step inside. Immediately you will feel it. Space, light, calm. This is one of those rare units where the living space actually feels like a living space. Generous, open, and connected to everything around it. You will get a wide frontage that lets in natural light throughout the day. And that's something that many new launches do not have. You have always said, space carries emotions. When you walk into a home that you have been lived in love, you can feel its warmth. And the Tiara has that. For the current owners, this home was their second step, after starting with another condo after 4 years. As the family grew, they longed for space, stability, and a sense of permanence. So the Tiara became their last home, a freehold sanctuary in the heart of a city, the kind that many would simply retire forever. Well, as the property grew, the asset appreciated and the family grew. And right now, the story continues towards more space, bigger dream, and a new chapter. From here, you see the beauty of the city and the orchard skyline. Close enough to feel connected, but high enough to enjoy peace and privacy. Many families call this their dream home, a freehold property in the core central region, with a view that stretches above the rest. It's not just about luxury, it's about lifestyle. You can walk to Great World, take a jog along the river, or just enjoy coffee downstairs. Everything that matters is within reach. And every move tells a story. The Tiara represents a rare kind of story, one where growth, timing, and grace align perfectly. For the next family who moves in, you are not just buying a home, you are inheriting a story of progression. This is the Tiara, freehold, spacious, central, timeless. A home that holds stories and awaits the next one.